Chilly. That sunny weather means that we're not getting any rain anytime soon, and that's going to be a growing problem for our area. We want to bring in meteorologist Melissa Nord on how this situation is going to impact us.
And it's been evolving pretty quickly the last couple of months. We can call it sometimes a flash drought, but in Atlanta it's now been 2 weeks almost since we've had any measurable rain, and some areas in northwest Georgia since the start of September have seen less than an inch. So we're really seeing that reflected in today's release of the drought monitor. We now have the level 3 severe drought in areas across North Georgia, including northern Cherokee County and Floyd County.
It means, you could get agricultural impacts, and, you've got real dry soils, pastures. Grazing is impacted a lot, outdoor burn bans, be careful with fire. Just extreme dryness.
Now, he mentioned the fire danger. We saw multiple fires pop up yesterday, but expanding on agricultural impact. This goes beyond hitting crops. It also impacts the livestock.
Livestock farmers have been really hurt by the lack of rainfall as well, because the pastures have stopped growing. And because they've stopped growing, the farmers have to feed their cattle something. So they've been feeding supplemental hay from what they grew earlier in the year, or they're purchasing hay, or in some cases, they're actually having to sell some cattle so that they can maintain the rest of their herd on what hay they've got.
So you may not really realize here in Atlanta what's going on, but it is impacting our state's agriculture. It's impacting the economy. And I just want to show you again, it's that northern Cherokee County, northeastern Bartow County in that severe drought. Now, unfortunately, the next week, I don't see any guaranteed rain chances, but we'll be watching that day by day. But in the meantime, enjoy the sunshine. I mean, it's cold, but at least it's pretty outside. 57 right now in Atlanta. It's very dry air in place. This evening, we will be tumbling back from the 50s to the 40s, once again waking up in the 30s tomorrow morning.